How does Elon Musk's Starlink work? Will I be able to have service and Wi-Fi anywhere? Starlink is a satellite internet constellation created by SpaceX, the company founded by Elon Musk. Unlike traditional internet that relies on cables and ground-based towers, Starlink uses a *** network of thousands of satellites orbiting in low Earth orbit way up high, about 340 miles above the ground. So how does it work? Well, here's the deal. Your Starlink dish communicates with these satellites to provide high-speed internet, even in areas that were previously underserved by traditional broadband. And the cool part, you can get connected anywhere, as long as you have the right equipment. Setting up Starlink is relatively easy. You get a dish, which is a small, circular antenna that you place outside, and a Wi-Fi router that plugs into your modem. Once it's all connected, the dish automatically aligns itself to the best satellites overhead, giving you reliable service. The satellites in orbit transmit signals back and forth to the ground station, which then connects to the broader internet, allowing you to browse the web, stream movies, play games, and much more. But here's the big question. Can you really get Wi-Fi anywhere? Well, it's not quite as simple as that. While Starlink can work in remote areas, you still need a clear view of the sky. The dish needs an unobstructed line of sight to the satellites. So if you're in a place with a lot of trees or mountains blocking the sky, you might have trouble. Currently, Starlink is available in many parts of the world, with coverage expanding as more satellites are launched. But keep in mind that certain regions might experience slower speeds or limited service due to the availability of satellites in that area. To help you with this, Starlink has an app that allows you to check coverage and find out where you can get the best service before you sign up. This is especially useful if you're planning to set up Starlink at a remote location. And the best part, Starlink offers pretty good speeds for most users. You can expect speeds of 50 to 150 megabits per second depending on your location and network congestion. That's fast enough for streaming, gaming, video calls, and even working remotely. Starlink uses satellites in low Earth orbit to deliver internet. You need a clear line of sight to the sky for it to work properly. It's available in many regions but not everywhere just yet. Speeds are generally fast and great for most online activities. So, will Starlink give you Wi-Fi anywhere? Well, kind of. If you're in an area with a clear sky and good satellite coverage, you'll be set. But if you're in a densely forested area or near mountains, your experience might be different. But overall, this technology is a game changer, especially for people in rural and underserved areas. Let me know in the comments, would you switch to Starlink for your internet? And don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.